Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a story in Snapchat. Creating and sharing stories is a great way to capture and share your favorite moments with friends. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Snapchat profile. Step 3. From your profile, scroll down to My Stories. Once there, tap on Add to Story to begin creating your story. Step 4. Now, it's time to follow the normal protocol of creating a story. You can upload a picture or video, add stickers, filters, text, and even include tags to make your story more engaging. Step 5. Once you've finished creating your story, tap on Done to finalize it. You can review your story and make any desired edits before posting it. Finally, tap on Post to share your story with your friends. They will be able to view and engage with your story, adding to the fun and excitement. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a story in Snapchat and share your favorite moments with friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.